This is a Chinese cuisine which I learned how to cook from my Chinese Cambodian friends. The shrimps and pork dumplings are really juicy and delicious. And the sauce is so simple too. It's also a quick thing to cook too if you don't make dumpling wraps by yourself like me. Here's the ingredients: store-bought dumpling wraps, white shrimps, pork, cabbage, ginger, garlic, and spring onions. And here's the list of the ingredients. I use two different colors of dumpling wraps, so I know which one is shrimp and which one is pork. First, prepare your cabbage by getting rid of the cores of it, then cut it into 2 pieces. Peel the garlic skins off. And take the shell out from the shrimps. Then cut your pork into medium-sized dices, so it would be easy to blend them. And cut your spring onions as well. You don't really have to cut them into small pieces like in this video because you want to blend them anyway. And then it's time to make the fillings of your shrimp dumplings first. Just put cabbage, shrimps, garlics, spring onions, a bit of seasoning powder, sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, black pepper. Then you can blend them all together. Make sure it becomes just like one paste. Then it's time to make the fillings of pork dumplings. Just repeat the steps that I mentioned. The only difference here is that I put a little bit of baking powder, or you can mix your baking powder with water first before you put it into the blender. Then again, blend them all well together until it becomes like a paste. And that's it, you have 2 different fillings of your dumpling now. It's time for wrapping the dumplings. I admit that I'm so bad at this, so I chose the easiest technique. And here you can see I used 2 different colors of dumpling wrap, so you know that the yellow one is for shrimps and the green one is for pork. And now it's time to cook our beloved dumplings. I love the boiled dumplings more than streaming them because it's so easy to know if it's cooked well or not, and it's really fast. Just put your water to boiling, then put your dumplings in, and while waiting for them to cook, we can prepare the sauce. The sauce is super easy. Just chop some spring onions and garlic into small pieces. Oh wait, our dumplings are done. So drain your dumpling from hot water. Ta-da! Our dumplings are done. Now you can serve them, but don't forget the sauce. So let's continue making our sauce. Make garlic, ginger and spring onions gathered into saucing plate, then put a bit of soy sauce. Vinegar is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. Hope you like this video and please subscribe and like. Thank you. See you around.